Alright guys, welcome back to our video, and today we'll be going over data variation. And today, data variation is basically two different aspects, right? The average or central tendency, and then variance, right? So in central tendency come three things: mean, median, mode. You guys should already know how to do median and mode from pre-algebra. So we'll be mainly going over mean, and then variance will be standard deviation and variance. It should be completely new topics. So yeah, that's what we'll be doing today. So as you can see in the question, we have 7 different data points, or 6 different data points. And you should know how to solve the mean, right? You basically add up the numbers and then divide by the number of numbers. So let's do that, right? We have 6 plus 10 plus 7 plus 9 plus 2 plus 14. So 16 plus, so 23, 32, 34, 48. So you should have 48 in total. You guys feel free to take a moment to add those up in a calculator if you need to. 48 divided by 6 is equal to 8. So your mean should be 8 immediately, right? Bold. Alright. Next, we have the standard deviation. For the standard deviation, you guys shouldn't need to know how to solve it, like literally solve it until you get to like AP stats and everything. But so if you guys want to, the formula, if you guys want the formula, feel free to say ask below in the comments, and I'll make sure to let you know. But for now, I want you guys to pull out your calculators, preferably a TI-84, because that's the way you're going to only be able to do it. If you guys don't have a TI-84 calculator, don't worry, just feel free and just listen on. So if you guys do have TI-84 calculator, listen to the steps ahead. So you click Stat on the calculator. Alright, and then after you click Stat, you should go to number 1, Edit, and then in L1, put your point, or put your data values, right? 6, 10, 7, 9, 2, and 14. After that, you're gonna go and click Stat again, then go to Calc, or click the right arrow, and then click 1, or 1 variable stats, and click Enter and Enter and Enter, and then click Enter 3 times basically. And then after that, you're going to get a bunch of different values. You're going to get your mean, your sigma notations, your standard deviation, all those types of things. Your first value, your minimum value, your interquartile range, things like that. But what we're looking for is standard deviation. So if you look for the sigma, right? If you look for the sigma, that's the fifth one, right? It should start with like 3.6968455502. And if you guys, just like to let you guys know, if I'm going too fast or anything for you guys, make sure to pause the video, slow it down, things like that. So anyways, right, we have, so for our purposes, let's round to the nearest hundredths. So 3.6 or 70, right? And so this variance, if you guys don't know, variance is basically standard deviation squared. So basically 3.7 squared, so you can just go and do 3.7 to the power of 2, and you should get 3.7 to the power of 2, and you should get 13, so 13.669. So yeah guys, that was basically it for data variation. It's basically standard deviation, variance, and mean. Very easy. So if you guys were wondering about the mean absolute deviation, that's basically where you do the exact same steps, right? And then you go to unvariable stats, you go all the way down, and then the way you solve for it is then you go to stat 1 edit, right? And then you go to the next column, which is select L2, then you write the formula, and then you place your values, right? So if this doesn't make sense to you right now, it's because you probably don't have the calculator, or it's just not there in front of you, so don't worry about that. But that's basically what you guys should know for data variation, and z-scores will be the next video, so we'll see you guys in that video. This was kind of a short video, not much to know, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.